Nova Offshore Wyoming LLC Formation Wizard is a premium control hub designed for entrepreneurs who want to create a complete U.S. business structure in the fastest and simplest way possible. The app centralizes every essential element of company formation into one clean interface, allowing users to understand the entire process with clarity and complete their setup in as little as 15 minutes instead of searching through government websites, scattered guides, outdated tutorials, or conflicting information. The user opens this app and immediately sees everything organized into clear sections. Each section focuses on a different part of the business creation journey: formation requirements, official documents, compliance essentials, banking options, tax identifiers, payment platform onboarding, and yearly obligations. The app does not perform filings itself. Instead, it provides a fully structured, professional roadmap that shows the user what every component means, why it matters, and how it all connects. This allows first-time founders to move confidently from concept to complete legal structure without confusion, stress, or uncertainty. With its visual layout, categorized information, reminders, annual maintenance tools, and business-ready organization system, Nova Offshore Wyoming LLC Formation Wizard gives users everything they need to prepare, plan, and complete the formation of their company with unmatched speed and clarity, often in 15 minutes from start to finish.